Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you are fine. So this is ninth class English lesson number 8. We were discussing about unit 6. You have to open your book page 69 or 70. The topic was Qaid's vision and Pakistan. Clear? And now today our topic is exercise grammar. The portion of grammar from your book. Clear? You have to open page 69. And today we are going to discuss about conditional sentences. Clear? Conditional sentences. Now what is conditional sentence? शर्तिया जुमले. Clear? Always having two clauses. इनमें हमेशा दो clause होती हैं. First one is known as if clause and second one known as main clause. Clear? Look at the example. If I work hard, if clause, I will succeed, main clause. Clear? So this is if clause and main clause, combination of two clauses. Conditional type. अगर ऐसा हो तो फिर ऐसा होगा, ऐसा हो तो ऐसा होता. Clear? And this is having four types. Conditional four types. First one is zero condition, to tell about general truths. ठीक है, आम सच्चाइयाँ जो होती हैं, जनरल ट्रुथ्स के बारे में जो है बताने के लिए यूज़ होता है. कंडीशनल टाइप. इसमें क्या होता है? इफ़ क्लॉज. द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ज़ीरो कंडीशन इज़ इफ़ क्लॉज ऑलवेज विल बी इन प्रेजेंट सिंपल एंड मेन क्लॉज ऑलवेज विल बी इन प्रेजेंट सिंपल. दे बोथ विल बी इन प्रेजेंट सिंपल. क्लियर? दोनों प्रेजेंट सिंपल के होंगे एंड दे विल मोस्टली टेल यू अबाउट द general truth. Look at the example, you may understand. If you are honest, all is safe. अगर आप नेक हैं तो फिर सब ठीक है. Clear? Now you can see if clause in present simple and main clause also in present simple. The next is if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. Clear? दौलत चले जाने से सब कुछ नहीं चला जाता. Clear? Now you can see if clause and main clause, they both are in present. Okay, move towards the next condition. The next condition is first condition. This is used to tell about to a possible condition and its probable result. Clear? A possible condition. क्या होती है एक possible condition? कि ये मुमकिन जो है शर्त के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, मुमकिन तौर पर जो काम होने वाला होता है. Clear? Okay. So the formation of first condition always will be in if clause will be in present simple and main clause will be in future simple. Look at the example, you may understand. When he comes, I will help him. When he comes. Clear? I will help him. You may say if he comes. ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं इसको. Clear? And when he comes भी कह सकते हैं. This is our condition. If clause. Clear? And the main clause, I will help him in future simple. Clear? और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि main clause को पहले रख दिया जाए और if clause को बाद में रख दिया जाए. Clear? But you have to remember, keep in your mind that कि अगर if clause पहले है, this is first condition type having if clause in present simple and main clause in future simple. Clear? Okay, next. If she goes to school, she will get prize. Now you can see if she goes to school, if clause in present simple and she will get prize, main clause in future simple. Clear? Now conditional type second condition to a hypothetical condition and its probable result. Clear? ये आमतौर पर हाइपोथेटिकल कंडीशन के बारे में आती है. हाइपोथेटिकल कंडीशन जो फ़र्ज़ी कंडीशन हो या फिर नामुमकिन या फिर बईद जो है ना हो, दूर हो, अभी उसका रिज़ल्ट जो है वो काफ़ी अरसे के बाद नज़र आता हो. क्लियर? इफ़ क्लॉज, द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दिस विल बी इफ़ क्लॉज ऑलवेज विल बी इन पास्ट सिंपल एंड मेन क्लॉज विल बी वुड, कुड एंड वर्ब फर्स्ट. ठीक है, मेन क्लॉज में वुड होगा और फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब या फिर कुड होगा फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब के साथ. क्लियर? ओके, लुक एट द एग्जांपल, यू मे अंडरस्टैंड. द एग्जांपल इज हियर. if you ate sweets your teeth would go bad. now hypothetical condition, baid बहुत दूर की बात है, बाद में दांत खराब होंगे. clear? if you ate sweets your teeth would go bad. clear? now you can see here कि ate past simple and would plus first form would go. clear? next example, if I were a bird I could sing sweetly. clear? I could sing. now you can see could and sing first form of verb. were a bird, were past. clear? okay, now third type, third condition, to an impossible condition in the past and its probable result in the past. clear? ये हसरत यू में से दैट कि पुरानी बात जो है ना वो जो इनकम्प्लीट हो, जो है ना इम्पॉसिबल कंडीशन, जो है ना कंडीशन मुकम्मल ना हो सकी हो, ये फ़िक्र माजी के ऐसे वाक़े के बारे में होते हैं ना कि जो जिनको बदला नहीं जा सकता, जो गुजर चुके हैं. क्लियर? थर्ड कंडीशन, लुक एट द एग्जांपल. सो फॉर्मेशन विल बी इफ क्लॉज विल बी इन पास्ट परफेक्ट. क्लियर? पास्ट परफेक्ट विद द यूज ऑफ हैड एंड वर्ब थर्ड. क्लियर? and main clause will be would have, could have plus verb third, verb की third form के साथ. clear? look at the example now, you may understand. if he had seen me, if clause past perfect, if he had seen me, use of had third form. clear? he could have meet me, could have meet me. clear? next, if you had gone there you would have won prize. clear? you would have won prize. you may make some changes in the first example. he could have met me, M-E-T. the last one, if you had gone there you would have won prize. okay, move towards next. This is your homework and daily diary. Complete the following conditionals. If you had studied hard, you have to find out कि ये कौन सी condition है, from which condition it belongs and how we can complete it. Now you can see had and studied. This is third type. Third type. You may answer would have, could have and verb third to complete it. if I had seen him, if I had seen him, this is also third form, third condition. you have to complete it with the use of would have or could have. कोई भी condition आप इसके साथ लगा सकते हैं. third, if you do not win, if you do not win. now which condition is this? you have to find out. it is present condition. clear? do not. now you have to complete it with the future, future simple. clear? okay, if I understood, which condition is this? this is second condition, because you have learned that कि second condition में if clause always will be in past simple and main clause will be with would or could and first form of verb. उसके साथ आप इसको complete कर लें. clear? if she had gone to school, she had gone to school, had and gone, past perfect, third condition. you have to complete it. clear? so you have to complete these activities and write down on your notebooks. this is all about conditional type and very important as your objective type paper. clear? so thank you so much and remember us in your prayers.